Putting lowering springs on a 2018 Audi S4. First step, put a screw jack or a floor jack if you don't have a screw jack under the coil. Do the rear suspension first here, and then mark your inner bolt. It's still going to be off. You're lowering the car, so it is going to change the alignment. But I have this spun right now, you can see. But put a paint mark on the subframe versus the bolt, the washer that's built into it, the offset washer. And then when you remove this, at least you can get the camber close until you get it aligned. But marking that, I already pulled the nut off this end, and push this bolt through, and then I'll be able to lower this arm enough with the shock still attached. I have this bolt out, but you can leave the shock bolt still in. Lower the control arm enough where the spring just comes right out. So you'll do that, and then screw jack back under the spring, lift it back up, put the bolt back in, and then tighten this bolt when it's back at ride height again. So pretty straightforward in the rear. Not much going on here. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, now when you're pulling the strut out of the front suspension on these cars, it's pretty simple actually. All you have to do is remove this lower bolt here, lower shock bolt. This bolt where the sway bar link attaches to the shock assembly, and then this pinch bolt that actually holds the shock insert, this bolt right here. Once you remove those bolts, you can stick a little chisel in there. There's actually a special tool to open these up a little bit, but if you don't have that, you can just tap a little chisel into that lightly. You don't go crazy, you just need it to expand very slight amount. And then that's done for down here. That's it. That's all you have to do down here. Up top, there's just 3 bolts that hold this the top of this strut to the chassis. And they're real obvious where they are. You can see it right when you look from the top. Pull those, and then you can just have someone pry down on the this whole assembly, or just push down on it with their hands, and then you can sneak this shock right out. Bring it to the spring compressor and put the new spring on, and reassemble it the same way. Pretty easy job. That's it.